up guys, Craig here, WOLFBOX JKU. Today we're going to install a refurbished WOLFBOX G900 for the Jeep. Right now my spare tire is filling up most of the window, and what is not filled up is filled up by a roll bag, a bag off my roll bar, so I can't see. So being the cheapskate that I am, I went ahead and bought a refurbished, did I say that right? Refurbished, used WOLFBOX. And yeah, so let's take a look at it. So I bought the hardwire kit. So this is so you can hook it up to your fuse box, so the battery stays consistent, so that way it's in parking mode, so if something happens, hopefully it records it. The box, it's reshrink wrapped, which is nice. I kind of thought it would be open since it's used. So here's the mirror. I'm gonna wait to pull this, so hopefully there's no scratches on it, but it looks nice. It looks like it's brand new. And this is the camera. Not sure where I'm gonna mount this yet. I put it on my bumper. I don't know, we'll see. Some more brackets. These are clips for the mirror. You wrap it around. Micro cloth to clean it. Trimmer for the paneling. This is the GPS. This side is up, so if I put it in there, the user manual with text I cannot read. I'll have to get my glasses, but I watched enough videos, so hopefully I can figure it out. And then this is the cigarette lighter cable that I won't use because I use the hardwire kit. So let's get going. Alright guys, I hooked up my fuses, and if you get the hardwire kit, it makes life a lot simpler. This is your ground, make sure you're going to something metal there. This is your accessory power, and what I did is I went to M7. M7 is my power outlet number 2, battery ACC select. And then from my constant power, I went up here, and that one was M15, which is my rear view mirror, vacuum pump, third row headrest, stuff that I don't really use anyway. So now I'm gonna clean this up, and I'm gonna work on placing the mirror now. Once you figure it out, it's really not that hard. So this is the power, and I showed you that where that went. This is the GPS, which is underneath the plastic, and the last one is the camera. Let me show you where the camera goes. So the camera goes up, around, through here, down. I added it to this loom underneath here. You can see I need a bigger loom. All the way up through here, and I installed the camera right there. I ended up screwing it. I'll clean that up later, but the wire came in through down here. I tapped into the reverse light right there, which is the white and gray, and it's a little crooked, but to be honest it's fine. You can't even tell. So you see, I'll turn on the accessory power. Camera comes on. So as you can see from my back, I really have no vision because I have the spare, and I also have a tool rack up on my roll bar back there. So there's no way I can even see out there. So now I can. And what I like about this is if I put it in reverse, it goes full screen. and you can see underneath the tire, which is pretty cool. I can change that back, so that's low, medium, high. You go back to the beginning. You click on it here, the settings. You can set up resolution, video encode. There's a lot of other videos that talk about different stuff you can do. Time format, how you want to reverse mode, your speed unit, GPS display, GPS information. That's pretty cool. Language, format your card when you get in there. It comes with a card. And yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when I'm driving. Driving fine. Here's my back. You can see there's no cars behind me. Oh, there's a car coming up on me now. So you can see my vision is pretty clear. But if I were to turn it around, this is what I would be looking at. Two dogs looking out each window, spare tire in the way, a bag, a roll bag in the way. Not good. So this is so much better. So I just got back from my first test drive. Initial impressions, I love it. It's just so much easier to go ahead and look out your rear view mirror and not see dogs, not see a tire, not see all that fun stuff. One thing I did do is I put a little spacer underneath the camera because it was kind of pointed down a little bit and you could see a little bit of the bumper, so I did it pointed up. I'm gonna have to probably paint that black, but for now it's good enough. So I'm happy. I'm still gonna check it out at night, see how it goes, but definitely check them out. WOLFBOX, refurbished, used. It's like half the price and it works just as good. It looked brand new. So little scratches maybe on top of the camera, but other than that, it looked brand new. So definitely check them out and subscribe, like the video, all that fun stuff. Thanks guys.